Solidarity forever. Our police is our solidarity. Solidarity forever. Our friends. Louder, louder. Solidarity for our friends. Forever. This marked out of security agents as targets for elimination is a very dangerous development that has led to widespread insecurity in our cities. It is against this backdrop that members of IPAN decided to speak up against the deteriorating security situation in the southeast, and also against the barbaric attack on policemen and the military and paramilitary personnel. These policemen being killed are humans with human rights. They have families. They are fathers, mothers, husbands, wives, sons, daughters. They are breadwinners in their families. We therefore march in solidarity with the police and other security agencies and plead with them to remain calm in the face of growing provocation. Is our friend. Our police is our solidarity forever. We are presenting this letter to the police headquarters.
It is a call for more work, and currently we have displayed numbers of our tactical commanders, including my number, for a quick response on incidences. Hitting the street like this cannot help us actually with the charged atmosphere. What we will do more of is advocacy, talking to these people, because they are not strangers in Anambra. So we should help and do more of talking to them. If they have issues, they should come on a round table. Let's discuss and know how to address this matter. Solidarity forever.